রাত পোহালেই কলকাতা ডার্বি। কলকাতার ঐতিহাসিক যুবভারতী ক্রীড়াঙ্গনে মুখোমুখি হতে চলেছে মোহনবাগান বনাম ইস্টবেঙ্গল। আর এই ম্যাচে নামার আগে 11 ম্যাচে 22 পয়েন্ট নিয়ে আইএসএল লিগ টেবিলের 1 নম্বরে রয়েছে ইস্টবেঙ্গল এবং 11 ম্যাচে 22 পয়েন্ট নিয়ে লিগ টেবিলের দ্বিতীয় স্থানে রয়েছে মোহনবাগান, শুধুমাত্র গোল পার্থক্যের ডিফারেন্সে। অর্থাৎ রবিবার সন্ধ্যে 7:30টায় লাল হলুদ বনাম সবুজ মেরুন ব্রিগেডের এই ঐতিহাসিক মেগা কলকাতা ডার্বি কার্যত নির্ণায়ক হতে চলেছে যে এই আইএসএল এর চ্যাম্পিয়ন কে হবে। আর এই ম্যাচে নামার আগে মোহনবাগান এবং ইস্টবেঙ্গলের ফুটবলার এবং কোচরা ঠিক কি বললেন একবার শুনে নেব।
I think it's one of the biggest in Asia, East Bengal versus Mohanbagan. It's very interesting. It's this game is for every player. They always want to enjoy these kind of games. It's fun to play these kind of games. The game is about 11 players, so whoever is not there, someone else will come in and do the job. It's just about putting 100% effort, 110, 120, and going to the last minute of the game. And hopefully we do that, obviously with the instructions of that we will get from our coach, and from there we will take and carry the game on forwards.
Yeah, our squad here, Rashid is today one of our captains. We are going to miss 3 of our captains, Saul, Maesh and Sovik. But we have been dealing with this all throughout the season. We were coming back from multiple problems in forms of injuries, trying to understand and giving the best solutions. So tomorrow is not going to be an exception. We always make the effort of not having to miss anyone or complain or regret. So tomorrow we are going to come with a fresh unit, and I hope that the boys are up to the mark.
That is amazing. It's amazing because finally we're in football. To play games like this and to have this environment, I think is amazing for us. When you want to become coach or player, is because you want to play these kind of games. And tomorrow is one final. It's one final. We reach this point in this situation. We need to win, and I'm very positive. I am very confident because I think I have very good players, very good squad with enough experience to play games like this, and for sure, it's a big motivation for us to play a derby always, but also when in this derby there are a possibility to win one trophy, no? Because also we need to respect the last game. Both of us, we have one game after this, no?
My preparation is always the same, but I think for me it's much better when I play against good strikers who score goal, like is Bengal striker, because I always want to be focused 100%, but maybe for tomorrow game, because it's a special game,